Okay, guys, so now we're going to do a little bit of math, and we're going to talk about graphs. Um, what we've talked about a lot in class is we've talked about pie charts. So now we're going to do some a little bit more. We've talked a little bit about it, about bar graphs. So what we're going to look at is how loud are common noises. So when we look at this bar graph that we see on the screen, we look at jets taking off, rock concerts, train horns, motorcycles, conversation, vacuum cleaner, whisper, and ticking watch. And we can see how they are all graphed and very similar to what we've seen in the past. The only difference is we see this going from side to side, whereas we typically see them going up and down. So now what we're going to do is we're going to answer some questions based on the bar graph that we just looked at. Um, okay, so the first question that we get to, and I'm going to pause between each question to give you a chance to answer. Uh, which sound has the highest sound level? So take a minute and talk about which sound has the highest sound level. That's right. So the high sound level is the jet taking off. So on our chart, there are two sounds that have the same noise level. Okay, so which two sounds have the same sound level? So take a second and look at the chart and answer. That's right. Rock concert and train horn have the same noise level. So, a bonus question for this: what is the sound level that the two share? That's right, 110. So, what is the sound level of the ticking watch? That's right, 20 is the sound level of the ticking watch. Question number four: what is the sound level of a conversation? That's correct. The sound level of conversation is 60 decibels. Now, last question: what is the sound level of a motorcycle? That's right. The sound level for the motorcycle is 80 decibels.